Number 6, and the title of experiment is to determine the coefficient of friction between wood and wood using the friction apparatus. So this setup is a friction apparatus, and the apparatus having a frictionless pulley and a weight box and a plan is here, and some known masses are given for taking different observations: 100 gram, 50 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, etc. So, before we conducting the experiment, first of all we set the experiment, the inclined plane at desired angle using the given protractor here. For first observation, we have setting the angle of the inclination plane at 30 degree. Besides, a knob is given here. We just changes the inclination angle at 30 degree. So now using this adjusting knob, set the inclination plane using the graduated protractor at 30 degree. Now the plane is setting at 30 degree, and here we are considering this is the weight of the block. The self weight, it is written 220 gram is the self weight of the block. First observation, we have taken considering only the self weight of the block, and the minimum force applied to overcome the friction here. We take it the P value of P, a heat and tran method. First of all, you apply here 100 gram. And observe the plane and the block. Is there any motion play or not? There is no motion. Then gradually you apply the value, increase the value of P here. Now more 100 gram. There is no changes of the block. Then another 50 gram. Sorry. Okay. The reading, we have applied the value of P is 200 gram, but there is no motion, means some friction is playing here. So we gradually increases the value of P. Now I applied here now 20 gram. No motion is here. So another 20 gram. You smoothly apply the value of P. Okay. Now note down the value of P is equal to, means this is the minimum effort required to overcome the friction. As we doing the experiment, our requirement is the minimum force. This is the value of minimum force P. Means this is 200 plus 40 plus 25 means the weight of the pan here. Total value of P is equal to 265. Note down the value of P is equal to 265 for the first observation, and the weight of the block is equal to 220 gram. Okay, and the inclination angle is here 30 degree. For first observation, inclination angle alpha is equal to 30 degree, and weight of the block, this one, is equal to 220 gram, and the effort required to overcome the friction is equal to 265 gram. Then using this value, you have calculate the mu is equal to P minus W sin alpha divided by W cos alpha. Here value of P is equal to this 265 gram, and W is equal to weight of the block and inclination angle. You have now, you have all of data you have already get, and put this value and calculate the value of mu for first observation. Similarly, for second observation, you just changing the weight of the block. Now you add more 10 gram here inside the box. Means for second observation, the inclination is same 30 degree, and weight of the block you just changes, that is equal to 220 gram, means self weight of the blocks plus in addition weight is equal to 10 gram, total is equal to 230 gram. W value is equal to 230 gram. And now how much effort it is required to overcome the friction is just the process is same, just heat and turn method. We have calculated, put the block here and apply some load weights smoothly, no motion is there. Another 100 gram. Then the last observation was 240, means it is equal more than 240 gram. Now I have applied here. Okay, 250 gram means the 250 plus this weight of the pan, total is equal to 275 gram P required to overcome the friction which bring the motion to the block. The value of P is equal to now 275 gram. Okay, this is your same process calculator. P value of P is given, W is given, mu is equal to P minus W sin alpha divided by W cos alpha. Okay, for third observation we have changes the inclination of the plane using the adjusting knob. Now we just lowering the plane at this is 30, last one was 30. Now we have inclined this plane at this is 25, note down, 25 degree. The inclination angle of the plane is equal to 25 degree. This is the observation number 3. Write down 25 degree and keep the block above the inclination plane. And we have for third observation we are only considering the self weight of the block. The value of weight of the block is equal to 220 gram. And now how much P it will be required to bring to the block some motion. For third observation changes only the inclination angle of the plane. Same, you apply some value of P, just smoothly apply it. Okay. Now at 225 gram, the value of P, it will be bring some motion. So means 225 gram effort required to overcome the friction. Now note on it, 225 gram. Then for fourth observation, just we changes the weight of the block, some apply some additional weight inside the box, and how much P it will be required to overcome the friction. Okay, the angle inclination angle is same here, 25 degree. Now check it, how much force it will be required to overcome the friction. Now the block weight is 220 gram plus inside 50 gram, 270 gram. Okay. No motion. Gradually increases the value of P. Okay, note down the value of P now, means this is the minimum force required to overcome the friction above the plane. Now the value of P is equal to 200 60 plus 25 means 285 gram. Value of P is equal to 285 gram, and the weight of the block is equal to 220 plus this 50 gram. This is 270 grams. And the last observation, at inclination angle 25 degree and just changes the weight of the block. One more 20 gram you add here, means for fifth observation the value of weight of the block is equal to 290 gram. And now apply the force P. How much P it will be required to overcome the friction now. And this is the friction between wood and wood. You have calculated the mu value between wood and wood and using the inclined plane apparatus. Keep the block above this inclined surface and apply some load forces P. There is no motion. Then we increase the load here. Always carefully you apply the load, not suddenly apply, smoothly you apply here. Okay. Add down 250 plus 25, 275 gram. Okay. Actually, what happens here? The plane is actually some rock, so it may be some error you are getting here. Sometimes 5 to 10 gram some error यहाँ आता है. You are seeing some error. So for last observation, 10 gram you are getting some 10 gram error. So you apply here. 100 gram, 200 gram, then 20 gram, another 20 gram, okay. Okay. Now there is no motion here. Okay. Now the value of P is here 200, 20, 225, 80, 315. Now for the first observation, the inclination angle 25 degree, weight of the block 290 gram, and effort required to overcome the friction is equal to 315 gram. And using this data, you put the formula here. Mu is equal to P minus W sin alpha divided by W cos alpha, and getting the value of mu and take the average value of mu here. This is all about the determination of coefficient of friction using the inclined plane apparatus. Thank you.